My little sister wants a modded original Xbox. Let's do this. First, we'll need an original Xbox to USB adapter, and a flash drive that's under 4 gigabytes. I got this one on eBay for $3. Then we're going to need one of the 4 games listed here. Some work with Platinum hits, some don't. I'm going to be using Splinter Cell. I'm also going to download the Rocky 5 Xbox softmodding tools, and I'm going to go into the Softmod package and grab my Splinter Cell NTS safe exploit. Then I'm going to go to memory. I'm going to take the cable with the flash drive plugged in. I'm going to plug it into really any port that I want to. Then it's going to pop up here. Says it's been erased, and now we got a memory card. Then we're going to download Explorer 360 and extract it. Then we'll plug in the flash drive, and then we're going to transfer over the exploited save. Be sure to transfer the softmod save too. Then we're going to copy over each of the saves to the hard drive. Dang it. Paperclip! Then we run the exploited save. Then we go through the install through the Softmod tool. Then the system's going to reset a couple times, and now it's modded. Now we do the hard drive.